Chapter 4: Transport and Communication. Transport. Today, the main means of transport are roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. There is a good network of the modern means of transport in India. Roadways. Roadways is the most popular means of transport. India has a vast network of roads which include the state and national highways. We use bicycles, scooters, auto rickshaws, cars, buses, trucks, vans, etc. to move on roads. The roads can be metalled or unmetalled. The roads connecting main cities and ports are called the national highways. These roads are constructed and looked after by the National Highway Authority of India. The state governments have also built the state highways, district roads, and village roads. These roads are looked after by the state government. The town and village roads are maintained by the Gram Panchayats and the municipal committees. Now the NHAI is planning and building expressways on the different parts of the country. The total length of all types of roads in our country is about 35 lakh kilometers. Railways. Railways are known as the lifeline of the country. The first railway line in India was laid by the British from Thane to Mumbai in 1853. Today, India has the largest networks of railways in entire Asia. The total route length of the Indian railways is more than 60,000 kilometers. They connect most of the towns and cities in India. There are two types of trains: passenger train, goods train. Passenger trains carry people from one place to another. There may be trains with moderate speed that cover many areas, or there may be superfast trains such as the Rajdhani and Shatabdi Express that cover long distances in a very short time. In Mumbai, local trains form a very important means of public transport. Even in West Bengal, local trains move underground and connect various places of the state to Kolkata. In Delhi and other states, metro trains have become the most convenient way of routine traveling. Goods train consists of wagons and tankers that carry food products, coal, etc. from one place to another. Airways. An aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Major cities and towns of India are connected by air. Aeroplanes transport people and goods, especially perishable goods such as fresh fruits, flowers, and vegetables to far off places. Mail from big cities is carried by aeroplanes. That is why letters from far away places reach quickly. A helicopter is a very useful means of air transport, especially in areas that are very difficult to reach. They are used to drop food and medicines during floods, droughts, famines, earthquakes, epidemics, and wars. They are also used to rescue people during natural disasters. Today, there are government as well as private airlines operating in our country. Private airlines such as Jet Airways, Kingfisher Airways, and SpiceJet Airlines offer tickets at low prices. So, air travel has now come within the affordability of middle class people. Air India is the official airline of our country. Waterways. The water transport is one of the oldest and cheapest means of transport in India. The inland waterways and seaways are two types of the waterways. The inland water bodies are rivers, canals, and backwaters. Boats and steamers are used as means of transport on the rivers. Large ships take people and goods from one part to another by sea. India has 12 major ports and several small ports. Important ports such as Mumbai, Kandla, Kochi, Kolkata, and Chennai handle the major loading and unloading of goods. Mumbai is the largest port in India. Communication. Long ago, if people had to send a letter to a friend living in another city, they would have had to take the help of a pigeon or a horse rider. The letter would have reached at the destination after many days. However, we now have more reliable and fast methods of sending messages. Postal system. The postal system was established to exchange messages. There are thousands of post offices all over India. We can send letters through different post offices. We can also send money orders and parcels. Post offices also offer courier service known as speed post. Letters sent through speed post take only 1 or 2 days to reach any city in India. Courier services are also offered by a number of other private postal companies in India. Today, electronic mail or email is very convenient and fast method of sending messages. Emails are sent through computers connected to the internet. These days, emails can also be sent through mobile phones. Telephones and mobile phone. Telephone is a very important means to remain in close contact with anybody through a telephone. It can be either through a landline or a mobile phone. The mobile phone has reached almost every part of our country and has become very cheap in our country. Smartphones. The smartphone like the iPhone was launched in 2007. It functions as a camera phone, text messenger, portable media player, and has an email and web browsing facilities. It also has advanced video recording and playing facilities. Mass media. Messages can be sent to many people at the same time through mass media. Mass media is the means of mass communication. It means communicating with a large number of people. Mass media makes the people aware about what is happening all over the world and also educate them about many things. It is also a source of entertainment. Newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines are print media. They give us news and information about events from all over the world. A large number of newspapers are published in India in several Indian languages. Radio. People listen to music, news, and sport commentaries on the radio. Akashvani or All India Radio is our national radio network. There are several radio stations that relay programs in many languages. Nearly every house in India has a radio. Now private FM radios are becoming quite popular. Television. Millions of people watch news, educational and entertainment programs telecast on television. Important sports and cultural events can be shown live, pronounced live, on television. This is possible because of satellites. Television signals from one part of the world can be sent to another part of the world through satellites. Cinema. Cinema is the most popular source of entertainment for people the world over. Films also spread messages. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. People find films interesting as they educate as well as entertain.